Meaning of economy class syndrome.
Economy class syndrome.
Economy class syndrome.
Economy class syndrome.
Economy class syndrome. Economy class syndrome refers to a medical condition where blood clots form in the legs of individuals who sit for long periods in cramped conditions, such as on long-haul flights in economy class seats. These blood clots can be life-threatening if they move to vital organs such as the lungs. Symptoms include swelling, pain, and redness in the affected leg. To prevent economy class syndrome, individuals are advised to move around frequently, stay hydrated, and wear compression stockings on long flights.